Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. This is Chris Asika from Kristas Properties. Today I'm going to be unboxing this new tool that I just acquired for my YouTube channel. This is what we are going to be using to capture a better view of the environment. So we're going to be using this for our property tour, property inspection. We're going to be using this to showcase the environment, any property that we are going to be posting on our YouTube channel. We'll be using this to capture the environment, to capture the neighborhood, so you can have a better idea about the property that you want to buy, the property that we are telling you about. This is going to go a long way in helping us serve you better. Of course, this have always been on my to-do list. This is part of my goal for the year 2024, and by the special grace of God, I have successfully taken this off my goal for the year 2024. By the special grace of God, I have been able to acquire this DJI Mini 2 drone, just so we can serve you better, just so we can produce better quality videos to serve you in our YouTube videos, on all our social media handles, on YouTube, Facebook, and all of our social media handles. We are going to be using this to do better videos so that you can have an idea. You can make informed decision when buying any of the properties that we are talking about, or any of the properties that we are advertising on our handles. So join me as I unbox this DJI Mini 2 drone. I don't know what is inside. I don't know what the inside looks like, but stay with me. Let's see what it looks like inside. Stay with me. Oh God. And then, but I was thinking this thing would be bigger than this, so I was thinking it would be bigger. I don't know what the content it looked like. I don't know what the inside will look like. I was expecting it to be bigger than this. It's usually bigger, and I see it's bam, 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 bam. Hello. You can see what we have inside. Okay, this is the manual. It's a Nigerians don't used to read. You see now, the manual is written in Chinese. The manual is written in Chinese and French. No problem. Let's see how it goes. Okay, these are extra blade. Okay, it has extra blade. It's an extra blade. Then this is a USB cord. It's a USB cord. And then all of this. This is I think this should be a screwdriver. Yes, screwdriver. And this client but leave it. It is screwdriver, but I open it. But I'm not going to. It is screwdriver. The screwdriver from.
Oh, yeah.
Ness up, ness and the shape. I'm matching. Okay. I think this is the controller. This is the controller. The mount. This is where I put my phone to be controlling it, to be monitoring it. And what is this? The battery. This is the controller. This is where we're controlling the line. PS. Go up, go down, go up, sideways. This is it. But how do I put my phone here? It's like this, so this one is to count. That only I don't know what this was now. Then so this is the power button. Okay, this power button is on this. It is on. That has done. I basically know nothing about this, but trust me, I'm going to learn. And I still have to learn how to operate it. I have to learn how to operate it myself. That would be the next step. So okay. So that is it. This is our mini private jet. This is mini private jet. Then this is the PS unit. This is the controller. I don't know what they call it. This is the controller. Then two USB. No, these are not here. I don't know the name. Two of this cord. Then this is a USB cord type C. This is a screwdriver. This is a I don't okay. This one is the same thing with this phone. That is what you see here. I don't know what to use this for. I don't know. Then what is this one? These are the blades, the fan blades. I have extra. The fan blades. This is it. Then what next? I think that is all. Then the manual written in Chinese and French. So this is it. So this is going to help us in a long way to serve you better, and this is going to help us in creating content that will serve you, that we will feel more about what we are trying to sell or what we are trying to pass an information about. This is going to be going to change the game of content creation for us at Kristas Properties. I'm so very, very glad that I have been able to acquire this. This is a dream come true. I'm happy that I have finally acquired this. So from here ahead for Kristas Properties. So thank you for watching this video up to this moment. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, there's no better way you can support the growth of our channel There's no better way you can support what we are doing other than subscribing to our channel. Click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post new videos like this, when we post real estate videos, or we post videos that has to do with Portharcourt, telling you things that are happening in Portharcourt, development in Portharcourt. Also, make sure you don't go without giving this video a thumbs up. Till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only real estate consultant right here in the city of Portharcourt. My name is Kristas Properties.